Hello students, very good morning. This is our English grammar class, and yesterday we have studied about common nouns and proper nouns. You all have written up to here. Those who have not got books, they can write in rub book. The next question is, Kamla and Jaya are sisters. They are talking about the town they live in. Work in pairs. One of you must be Kamla and the other Jaya. Read out the conversation loudly. Now here conversation between two girls are given and they are talking about a place. So let us see what they are talking about and how we can identify between common and proper nouns. See now, what are the Kamla saying? We live in a small town. So what the Jaya says? It is called Navpur. Kamla says there is a small hill in the town. Jaya says its name is Himagiri. Kamla says there is a big lake here. Jaya says it is called Sankey. Kamla says many children come to this place in winter. Jaya says it is lovely in December during Christmas. Kamla says there is only one school here. And Jaya says we study in Naushil school. Now what you have? Observe here. Kamla is telling about the name of places or name of a thing. But Jaya is telling the particular name. See, Navpur, Himagiri, Sankey, December, Christmas and Naushil. These are the particular names. And Kamla has said about the name of things like town, hill, lake, winter, school. Now, underline the nouns in the sentences above. What kind of nouns does Kamla use and what kind of nouns does Jaya use? Write them down in the table given below. The first one has been done for you. Now see, first of all we will underline the nouns. We live in a small town. Town is the noun. There is a small hill in the town. Hill is the noun. There is a big lake here. Lake. Lake is the common noun. Many children come to this place in winter. Winter is the common noun. There is only one school here. School is the name of the place. Now we will underline the particular names said by Jaya. And what are the particular names being called? Proper noun. It is called Navpur. Navpur is the name, particular name, that is the proper noun. Its name is Himagiri. Himagiri is the proper noun. It is called Sankey. It is lovely in December during Christmas. Christmas is the month it is the occasion which comes during the winter. We study in Naushil school. Naushil. So now we will write here common nouns and proper nouns. What are the common nouns? First is town. Second is hill. Third is lake. Fourth is winter. Fifth is school. Now proper nouns. Hill name is Himagiri. Lake is Sankey. winter during Christmas, and school is Naushil school. Understood? Next is read this passage and underline all the nouns. Then write all the common nouns and the proper nouns on the scrolls. Here 2 scrolls are given and here small paragraph is there. Now we will read it and find out which are the common nouns and proper nouns. Kiran and Karan are good friends. They have a lot of fun together. Kiran reads books and Karan watches television. Kiran's favorite book is the Panchatantra. One day, Kiran asked him, "Why don't you read books, Karan?" Karan says, "I like to watch the Pokemon series and other cartoon shows." Kiran says, "Reading is a good habit." Karan smiles and says, "That is true, Kiran. I think I will start reading from now on. Can you tell me the names of some good books?" So, Kiran and Karan are good friends. Kiran and Karan is the particular name. So, it is the proper noun. So, we will write here Kiran, Karan. These are the proper nouns. Okay. Then, good friends. Friends is the common noun. Friends. Then they have a lot of fun together. Kiran reads books. Books is the common noun. And Karan watches television. Television is the proper noun. Kiran's favorite book is the Panchatantra. Now, book is the noun, but Panchatantra is the proper noun, name of the book. So, the Panchatantra. One day, Kiran asked him, "Why don't you read books, Karan?" Karan says, "I like to watch the Pokemon series and other cartoon shows." Now, Pokemon series is the particular name and cartoon shows is the common nouns. Cartoon shows and Pokemon is the proper noun. Kiran says reading is a good habit. Karan smiles and says, "That is true. Kiran, I think I will start reading from now on. Can you tell me the names of good books?" Now, we have already written the books and name. Name is the common noun. You understood? Now, in next question, filling the blank spaces in the table given below with common nouns and proper nouns. The first one has been done for you. Here you can write words on your own. See, cartoon show, which you like, Tom and Jerry. Film, you can write here whichever film name you like. Teacher, you have to write your teacher's name. Here, in proper nouns, the particular name you have to write. And in first column, common nouns. For example, the Japan. Japan is a particular name, but what it is? It's a country. So, here, country. Okay, like this you have to write this. And in this lesson, what we have learned, there are 2 types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common noun names any person, place, animal, bird or thing. And the proper noun names a person or a place. It is the particular name of any person, place or thing. And a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Okay.